Hey friends, welcome back. So today we're doing another family recipe video. If you're new here, my name is Pam and I make videos on momming without overwhelm so you can find your own magic in the mundane. And this video is part of a cooking series that I'm doing for my daughters to watch when they grow up. I'd love if you stuck around, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That lets me know you're here so I can say hi and let's get cooking. Okay girls, you're gonna need chicken. You can use chicken breasts or chicken thighs. You're gonna need carrots, cucumbers, vermicelli rice noodles, rice paper wrappers, your choice of herbs. Today we're using mint, cilantro, and Thai basil. So first, slice your carrots and cucumbers into matchsticks. I usually do half of an English cucumber and one whole carrot, but I like to slice extras because you always end up snacking on them. Season your chicken breasts with salt and pepper on both sides and cook in a 375-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. You can also cook them in the Instant Pot, but I didn't feel like lugging that out today. Boil the vermicelli rice noodles for about 2 to 3 minutes and then drain and place it into a bowl. Now arrange all of your ingredients out on a table along with a prep board and a shallow bowl of warm water. Soak the rice paper wrapper in the water for about 20 to 30 seconds until it's really soft and pliable. Then lay it out on your prep board and start layering your ingredients. I like to roll the rice noodles with the cucumber and carrots first and then add the chicken and the herbs, but you can do it all together if you'd like. You can also add a piece of lettuce in here too, but we're not doing that today. Then you're just going to roll it like an egg roll. And sometimes your wrapper will tear, and when that happens, I like to wrap it again with a second layer of paper. It makes it a little thick, but it keeps everything contained. Now for the peanut sauce. We're going to start with a 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter and add 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce along with 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Mix that all together and then add a little warm water until it's the consistency that you like. If it's too watery, you can always add more peanut butter. Just keep whisking until it's the perfect dipping consistency. And that's it, girls! You just made spring rolls with peanut sauce. Yum, yum. Always remember that mommy loves you so much.
Dip, dip. Now eat.
Thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!